Snap CFO Tim Stone resigns in 8 months. Shares drop 8%. Tim Stone, Snap's chief financial officer, has resigned from the Snapchat parent within 8 months of joining. Snap's stock went down about 8% in after-hours trading on Tuesday. Tim has made a big impact in his short time and we're very grateful for his hard work. Tim's transition is not related to any disagreement with us, CEO Evan Spiegel wrote. Man creates 3D printed mouse with display keyboard fitted into it. A man has created a 3D printed mouse which has a color display and a slide-out keyboard fitted into it and works like a computer. It uses Raspberry Pi Zero-W development board with a single-core 1 GHz CPU. With 512 MB RAM. The tiny computer also has features such as Bluetooth and Wireless LAN. US company Yelp tries to remove bugs on app. AI deletes everything. US-based local search service Yelp has revealed that they had trained a neural net to eliminate all the bugs on its app, but it deleted everything on the app. We had to roll everything back. To be fair, we were 100% bug-free. Briefly, the company joked. We apologize to anyone who had problems with the app this week, Yelp said. French ethical hacker claims data on PM Modi's website compromised. Robert Baptiste, a French security expert and ethical hacker, today tweeted that an anonymous source has full access to database of PM Narendra Modi's website. Baptiste added that he would start a security audit after PM Modi contacts him in private. He later claimed that Narendra Modi.in team got in touch with him and they will take appropriate measures.